Hi, welcome to Apify, your one-stop shop for web scraping and automation. The Apify platform includes lots of ready-made tools designed to help you scrape popular websites. One of these websites is Google Trends. Data from Google Trends can be incredibly useful for e-commerce retailers so they can determine what products to promote. It is also helpful for identifying niche markets to time seasonal trends correctly. And it can be an invaluable tool for dropshippers looking to fine-tune what they are offering. So, let's show you how to make the most of Google Trends with Google Trends Scraper. To get started, go to apify.it/Google-Trends. You'll be taken directly to the Google Trends Scraper page. Now just click on Try for free to sign up for an Apify account. If you already have one, just log right in. Once you're on the Google Trends Scraper page, let's create a new task so we can save this configuration and reuse it later. In the input options, we will enter the search term we want from Google Trends. So, let's take a look at Google Trends. We are going to choose a geographical location, the United States. Then we will search for the term World Cup. This graph shows the interest in the search term over the past 12 months. So let's go back to Apify's Google Trends Scraper to replicate the search conditions in the input fields. Let's insert World Cup in the search term. As for the time range, we will choose the past 12 months and we'll keep the default All Categories option. We'll choose the United States for the geographical location. Once you're ready, just click Start. The run might take a few minutes. Once your run has finished, you can preview and download the data in several structured formats. Another great feature of the Apify platform is that you can connect Apify with your favorite web apps to make the most of the obtained data and further automate your workflow. Find out more about all the available integrations at apify.com/integrations. That's all for this tutorial, but if you're interested in more tools to help boost your business, check out our Google Search Results Scraper, SEO Audit Tool, and Broken Links Checker, all of which you can find in Apify Store. Also, feel free to join our Discord channel, link in the description, if you are interested in joining a community of like-minded web scraping and automation enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. So long, and thanks for all the likes.